The AI research system that writes better blog posts. Most blog posts are written from what the writer already knows. That is the fundamental limitation that keeps most content forgettable. The writer sits down, pulls from their existing knowledge, organizes it into a structure, and publishes. The result is competent, occasionally useful, almost never remarkable. The blog posts that travel, the ones that get shared, linked to, and remembered, are written from what the writer discovered. Fresh data that most people have not seen. A contrarian angle that challenges the accepted wisdom. A specific example that makes an abstract concept suddenly concrete. An underreported finding that gives the reader something genuinely new. The problem is that this kind of research takes time that most content creators do not have. So they skip it. They write from what they know. And they wonder why their content performs below expectations. AI makes deep research fast enough to include in every single post you write. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why research makes the difference before the system. The honest diagnosis of why most blog content underperforms. Generic content has no moat. If 10 other writers in your niche could have written the same post, it has no reason to rank, no reason to be shared, and no reason to be remembered. Generic content competes on distribution rather than quality. And unless you have a large existing audience, distribution will not save generic content. Research creates the moat. A blog post that contains a specific statistic, a contrarian finding, or an example that the reader has not encountered before has something to offer that the generic version of the same post does not. Readers share content that makes them look informed. They share content that taught them something they did not know. They do not share content that restated what they already understood. The research system does not replace your thinking. It fuels it. The insights you generate from research are still yours. AI helps you find the raw material faster and organize it more usefully than manual research would allow. Layer 1. Finding the right angle. Most blog posts start with a topic. The research system starts one step earlier, with an angle. A topic is what the post is about. An angle is the specific perspective or argument the post takes. The same topic can be approached from dozens of different angles, and the angle determines whether the post says something worth reading or restates what every other post on the topic has already covered. Ask Claude to generate 10 different angles for any blog post topic you are planning to write. Give it the topic, your target reader, and the niche your blog operates in. Ask it to include at least 2 contrarian angles, perspectives that challenge the conventional wisdom on the topic, and at least 2 data-driven angles that would require specific research to support. Review all 10. Identify the angle that is both most genuinely interesting to you and most underserved by existing content. This is the angle your post should take. The angle selection step takes 15 minutes and determines more about the post's eventual performance than any amount of production quality applied to a weak angle. Layer 2, deep research with AI. With your angle selected, the research phase begins. Ask Claude to identify the 5 most important questions your angle needs to answer before the post can be written credibly. Not the obvious questions, the specific ones that separate a well-researched post from a surface-level one. For each question, search for the most current and specific evidence available. Data points. Studies. Expert perspectives. Real-world examples. Bring everything back to Claude. Ask it to evaluate which pieces of evidence are most credible, most surprising, and most relevant. Ask it to identify any contradictions, because contradictions are often where the most interesting insights live. Ask Claude to also identify the strongest counterargument to your angle. A post that acknowledges and addresses the strongest objection is more credible than one that ignores contrary evidence. Layer 3. Building the research-backed outline. With research complete, ask Claude to build a post outline that integrates evidence throughout rather than clustering it in one section. The most effective research-backed posts do not have a research section. They have research woven into every section, a specific data point here, a real-world example there, an expert perspective inside a practical recommendation. Ask Claude for an outline with 5 to 7 sections. For each section, the main point, the supporting evidence, and the transition to the next. Each section should build on the previous one rather than existing as a standalone unit. This research-backed outline contains the angle, the evidence, the counterargument, and the logical flow, everything needed to write a post worth reading. Layer 4, Writing and Verification. With the outline in place, Claude writes the first draft. Ask Claude to write each section in sequence, using the evidence from the outline as the backbone and your established voice as the tone. Review every section carefully. Add your own perspective, your own examples, and your own commentary on the evidence, the human layer that makes the post genuinely yours rather than a compilation of sources. Before publishing, verify every specific data point, statistic, and claim against the original source. AI can occasionally misremember or misattribute research. Verification before publishing is not optional. It is the practice that protects both your credibility and your readers. Ask Claude to write your post's meta description and the suggested headline, giving you 5 headline variations that each approach the angle from a different entry point. Test different headlines across different posts and note which consistently produce higher click-through rates for your specific audience. Your action plan starting today. Choose your next blog post topic. Spend 15 minutes with Claude identifying the 10 possible angles. Select the most interesting underserved one. Run the 5 research questions. Build the outline. Write from research. One post written this way will perform better than 10 posts written from what you already know. What blog post topic have you been meaning to write but kept putting off? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a research system that will make every future post smarter, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.